What's up everyone, Nate with Microgreens Farmer coming to you today to show you a technique for faster bottom watering. As you build your operation, you get going, you have a lot more racks going, you end up doing a lot more watering, it takes a lot of time, so this is a way to speed it up a little bit. So that's coming right up. Okay, let's get right into it. A way to speed up the bottom watering of your microgreens. So you need a few things here. First, you need to figure out how much water you're typically putting in when you're bottom watering. You just do this by counting how many seconds you're spraying with your sprayer. So we've got this sprayer here. We spray for about 10 seconds. So we figured out 10 seconds is about 2 cups worth. And the next step is to find a container that's that size. So this container is 16 ounces and you want one with a wide mouth on the top. Next, you're going to find some sort of large bucket. This is a trash can. This is even a little bigger than a 5-gallon bucket. And you want to have a base level of water in there that goes about 4/5 or 3/4 of the way up your glass. So you can kind of see on here. And just make a mark on the inside of your container so you know how to fill it to that spot really quick. We have like a little line that's on the inside of here. So we fill it basically to that line and we know we're at the right spot. So that's your base level. And then you just go around and see how many flats you have to water for that day. And we do that just by lifting them up. And we tell by the weight. After you've been growing for a little bit, you know if they're pretty light, then they need water. If they're heavy, then they've been watered. Or they don't need water. You know, some varieties use water faster. When they're more mature, like these radishes up here, they're sucking water really fast. If it's really dainty crop you're growing, then it just takes a while. You know, you don't even need to water every day sometimes. So go around, check how many flats you need to water. And then figure out how long, with your sprayer, how many seconds it takes to fill up your little container here. So this one takes 10 seconds to fill. So after you go around and you count how many flats you need to water that day, just multiply it by this many seconds. And you can take out your phone. Say we had 20 flats that we needed to water today. You just say, set timer 200 seconds.
Sure, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Starting now.
So it automatically converts it into minutes and it sets your timer for you. So we had 20 flats at 10 seconds watering each flat. It's that much time. So then after that, we'll just take our sprayer. And it's got this little clip down here that helps it so you can keep it going. This is so hard to do with one hand. Push this down, and you're just going to leave that down in there. And then you could do another task now, whatever you need to do while this is filling. You know, this could be quite a while if you have a lot of flats to do. The one thing I'll say is if you are growing tons and tons of microgreens, you don't want a massive container, so you might need to split it in half. So do a couple racks and then water your next couple racks because it's hard to kind of move around a big container. But if they're all right in one area around each other, you might be able to keep it in a central spot. So then you let that fill however long, however many seconds you need to be able to water all of your trays. All right, we'll say it's done. Next step then is to simply do your watering. So we have to water these two here. So I just simply dunk it down in there, lift it up, it's full, and you lift your container, dump it in there. Bam, move on to the next one. So that's a lot faster than what we would have done, which is lift it up and wait 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same amount of water is going in there, but it takes, you know, a quarter of the length of time to get it watered. So basically you're just bunching all your watering into this bucket while you can do another task, and then you're just quickly filling them all. If you're bottom watering a lot of trays, this speeds it up significantly, so I suggest giving it a try, see what you think. If you found this helpful, just leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything, you can leave them in the comments down below. And head over to microgreensfarmer.com. You can click the first link in the description below this video. You can head over there to get your free quick start guide, or to sign up for a webinar, to read blog posts, any of that kind of stuff. Go there and check it out. And thanks so much for watching.